Get a feel for the 2023 Nissan Rogue. Style, security, and efficiency blend beautifully in this Nissan Rogue, the handsome, family-friendly compact SUV that offers standard driver assist safety features and a smooth, responsive ride. Comfortable and capable, this sporty four-door hatchback brings confidence along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, proximity key entry, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, turbocharged engine, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.